We all make mistakes. It's a part of being human. But here's the thing, sometimes we are our own harshest critics. Hello everyone. So let me share you one topics from the books, The Relationship with Yourself. Treat yourself with the same kindness you would offer a friend. Learn from mistakes and move forward with compassion. My beloved friend, when we slip up, we can be quick to judge ourselves, second guess our decision, or even give up. Let me tell you one story about a young monk who, despite his efforts, couldn't master the meditation techniques. He was frustrated and felt like he was falling. One day, he came to his master, disheartened and ready to give up. His master looked at him and said, "Imagine you are a farmer who planted seeds in the ground. If you dig them up every day to see if they grow, they never have a chance to develop. You need to be patient and gentle, allowing them to grow in their own time." This is what we face challenges every time. When we face problem, we always blame ourselves. And we always blame ourselves, we always blame the circumstances. But we never treat kindness to ourselves the same you treat to other people. For example, when your friend doing something wrong, you always say or motivate them by a good word. But when you do something wrong, you always blame yourself. So again, please say the same kindness to yourself like you say it to your friend.